Please kindly click on the red subscribe button below this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks, God bless you as you do this.
It is an experience watching the couple. Are you ready? Are you ready? I'm the bench. Oski bench, like what Jamaican friends call me. Capella, like my South Africans call me. Importer. Happy New Year to you all. But we're here because of Mamadou Sexy. Who the sexy Jew? Let's start with the prayer before I get carried away. You know, it's good to pray. We pray for Mo Sexy. She's made Africa. Happy birthday to you, darling. Now, I want a two, a three, go. Some people they want me to cry, some people they pray me to die. Why? Some people they play me to slow, some people don't want me to go, help me sing it out loud. Different people did this one. Some don't like me, while some show me love. Some not gonna let you drink water, drunk up. They will want to aside for my kind, but you know what? Tell me why you wanna run me down. Tell me why you wanna see me down. Tell me why you wanna take my crown. My place is fit for the naked ground. I hate answer. No one profession against me shall walk. Some people they won't make a cry, some people they play make a die. Some people they play make a slow, some people they won't make a no. When every single time it's good to pray. Don't pray. The world, I'm more sexy because you've made Africa proud. At such a young age, we're so proud of you. So let's sing. We're gonna go to the world so hard. I'm the king. I'm the match. We only have one life to live. If you're lucky, then you might get two. I was down, so down to my head. Was a miracle that got me through. Ooh, I've seen the world, paid my dues. We go high. Got plenty of scars, but nothing to lose. Baby wearing the crown. I say it's like, wow. So we are the celebrities, entertainers on the left.
Thank you so much for watching our videos. And importantly, you need to subscribe because we drop videos almost every day. And how to subscribe? There's a circle here written Gua TV. Click on it, you see a subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button. That's all.